Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. Okay guys, today we are going to move step forward and our today plan is to work with the Docker. What does it mean? Actually, last session we have covered with the Maven clean install where we automate our workflow with the setup of Maven clean build. So whenever we will be pushing our code, it will start running and it will build our project on GitHub with the Linux runner, Ubuntu. So today I want to build image through Docker and that image should be pushed to DockerHub. Okay, so to do this, what steps will be taken? Let me share my screen and show you. First of all, I will share you the steps. Okay, so these are the steps we will be cover. First of all, in last session we have covered Maven clean install. We also did on the my local machine and we also did through this workflow. And right now, what workflow? First step will be to check out. Okay, what actually workflow will do? It will check out the all source code from our local repository, whatever repo we have mentioned. Let me show you the repo here. We have shared master repo. Okay, so it will check out the code on Linux runner. Here is the runner we Ubuntu mentioned. Then next step we will be tell workflow. Okay, then set up our JDK because this JDK will help us to build this code and it will run Maven build. Step number 3. So these already we have done and we will be moving forward with step number 4. We will need to log in our Docker because running creating images and running as a container on Ubuntu, you will not be able to access because we don't know the machine GitHub using Linux where it exists because it is under the hood. So we will be using our Docker registry hub and we will first log in and then we will build and push to DockerHub those images. What image we will be working with right now in this session, I will be using this Docker file to do all of this. Okay, this will help out to build image and then this image will be moved to DockerHub. Okay, so to do all of this, to complete this workflow which I presented in the screen, how we can do this? Let me write the steps. Okay, here is our workflow. Docker image. I just rename it to Docker image. Uh, Let me correct this image. Docker build and push images. Okay, so what should be the next step? First of all, we need to write the credentials. We need credential to log in. What step was according to our documentation? That was checkout. Okay, first it's need to check. Sorry, we have already done checkout. Here you can see this one is setting up JDK and this is Maven build. So what fourth step is just to log in to Docker Hub. Okay, and now I will write uses Docker login action at the rate 2 version 2. You can also use the latest one. So then with username and password. Okay, so here you must be entering your username and password of GitHub. No, sorry, you will be entering username and password of your DockerHub, not GitHub, because we are going to log in to DockerHub. So here I will be providing, this is my username and this one is my uh, password. Okay, now what is the next step? After login, what I need to do, I need to just build and push the image. First I will define name, and for that what are the uses? Docker build push action at the rate version 6. Okay, now what, yeah, here is the mistake. Action, Docker build push action, Docker build push action. Okay, now is the width. We will write push, which should be true, and tags max the service DevOps demo 2. Okay guys, what is the issue with push? Okay guys, so these are the steps I have mentioned here. We have added another step. We will then, after Maven build, we will log into GitHub and then it will build and push using uh, your Docker file. So you can also provide here context. If you don't provide, then it use default one. So context dot mean current directory. So you can also use this one, otherwise you can also skip this one. So now we will push this new file, okay, renamed file, and we'll see that how it works. First of all, I will check get status. Okay, just rename get add get commit message docker build and push update, and then we will create git push. Let's see what happens. Step 3 done. It is running step 4. Here you can see it is also doing all the stuff required. Maven build, and after Maven build it will log in to great login successful, and now it is building and pushing images. So here all the messages you can see, everything is going good. Oh great. So also it is also pushed, login and push done as well, and post setup as 17, and now we have completed our job. And let's see what is the status. Great. So we have done successfully. Now I will show you the these what image we have pushed demo to. Let me show you either demo 2 we have or not on the. Here is our repository, and then I will check if there is demo 2 available. Great. Here you can see that here is available demo 2. With tags, and it would also share the timeline where at what time just published 1 minute ago. Okay, so demo 2 is available. Now we can just pull this image and start working. How the project is deployed you have seen on DockerHub, and we can start working with this image. Working mean you can just run this project and see the result. So in next session we will be deploying DockerHub image with Docker Compose, because we have more than one images, and I want to do all of this with Docker Compose. Here what I will be adding another stuff. Okay, now step will be build and push images with Docker Compose. We will repeat this step. So this was actually with the help of Docker file. Docker file. Okay. Okay guys, I believe you are enjoying my tutorials, and I am trying my best to share with you also how things works and how actually going to do our implementation in a way. So it will help you to understand, and with concepts you will get all of this with concepts, so that you can remember and you can understand. That's why I'm doing my best to also draw this. I'm presenting you with step by step, and also we are doing with practicals. So in next session how Docker Compose works, and then after that another session we will be deploying all these images as running as a container on cloud and also on DockerHub. So stay connected, and please also provide your review if there is improvements needed. Otherwise please also appreciate my effort with comments, like and sharing. Thank you. Bye. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing, so that I will be continuing